The only ingredients are sugar, tamarind pods, and water. I also like to add lime juice, but this is optional. The first step is to prepare the tamarind pods. Take 15 to 20 and remove the shells. The pods are pretty sticky underneath, so make sure to get any bits that stick. You'll also want to remove all of the strings. Next, fill a pot with 6 cups of water and bring to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, add the tamarind pods. I also add 1 cup of sugar. You can add more or less if you like, but I find that 1 cup is always the perfect amount for me. Boil the pods for 15 minutes and then turn off the heat and let the mixture sit for 1 to 2 hours. This is how it looks after it's been sitting for 2 hours. The pods will be broken down quite a bit, and at this point you'll have to remove the seeds. It's easiest to do this with your hand. Just fish them out of the mixture and pop the seeds out. Also, make sure to remove any leftover strings and hard bits. Once you've got all of the seeds, it's time to blend the mixture. I like to strain it just in case I've missed anything that I don't want to be blended. Once I make sure everything is removed, I just add the pulp back in to be blended. I also add the juice of 1 lime and blend until smooth. Next, I like to strain it one last time and remove the fibrous bits of the pulp, but this is optional. At this point, you should taste it to see how much water you should add. I always start off with 4 cups, taste it again, and add more if necessary. Overall, I added 6 cups and stirred to combine. Serve over ice and enjoy.